Welcome back, YouTubers. We are gonna make a bathroom sign on 3D using FreeCAD 19. Let's dive into it. So what did I do? I used a picture to do this. So here's my picture. Maybe let me click this so you could see what I'm clicking. Coming. Okay, here it is. I'm tabbing. I'm showing. Those are all our bodies. So this is to create a body and a part. So I create one part and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bodies. And the reason being, I couldn't make the program doesn't have the capability of making several objects at the same time, one sketch. So I had to split. So and this is my image. So I loaded this image and then I did it the head, male head, female head. It's just a circle, right? I show you in the sketch. It's just a circle. Look, here. Let's see that, and the picture's there, right behind it. So when I was tracing one by one. There we go. I make the circle. It's fully constrained. I put the radius in, close it, make it a path. How much the path? The path is 3 millimeters. Right, that's it. And I did for that part, the body, the male body, this in the middle, and that, and the background where it's holding up this. And that's it. Once you finish that, then you go file, select everything, select every part. I'm going to hide the image now. That one, that one, that one, that one. You select all the parts. Like all the parts, right? Then you go to File, Export, and then you put Export. I already exported STL as a STL. It's the extension STL Mesh. Make sure you pick that one because there was something else similar to that. It doesn't work. You have to pick that one, STL Mesh. And once you have that working for you, then you go to your printing program. In my case, I have a Forge 3D printer, and they provide you with software which is called FlashPrint. And so then you go here, File, Load, or File, see, Load File, and that's the one I need. And here we go. That's a 3D print. Then I'm not gonna rotate. You can do some manipulation on this. Put in the panel from the center. You can scale it. You can make 50%. And something. Let's say I don't need any supports. Looks good. Then you do star slicing. I'm using PLA 175 millimeters standard slice. Doesn't take that long. Preview work, and then the printer is going to do the work. So it's going to print that layer there, and I go see all the wrath it's called, and it has all these colors here. And then it's going to do a solid fill, and then that's it. It's going to take about 46 minutes, and you have a 3D bathroom sign for the bathroom. And that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching.